You are going to love the 2020 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, luggage rack, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.